मॉर्निंग गाइस, वेलकम टू माय अबोड। होपिंग आप सब अच्छे होंगे। आज है ट्यूसडे 2 नवंबर और अभी बज रहे हैं 10:10। सो वी जस्ट गॉट अप 10 minutes बैक एंड स्टिल टाइम टू प्रोसेस एवरीथिंग। तो अभी पता नहीं मुझे क्या करना है।
वेल डन, तालियां होनी चाहिए यार हमारे लिए।
आई गेस प्रोटीन शेक पीना होगा, ऑफ कोर्स। हाँ, ठीक है। राइट गाइस, द पैकेज इज हियर बट द टेबल इज़ नॉट एम्प्टी। टेबल पे डैड काम कर रहे हैं एंड हमें तो अनबॉक्स करना ही है। इट इज़ व्हाट इट इज़। लेट्स स्टार्ट। स्टैंड, माइक एंड कनेक्टर। वाह, तो लग रहा है खाली है। स्टार्ट विद द माइक। रेगुलर माइक। जस्ट एडेड अ फ्यू मोर लाइट्स ताकि आपको बराबर दिखे। दिस इज़ अ कनेक्टर फॉर 3.5 mm जैक टू lightning cable, like so, so this will go into this.
That's what she said.
And this will go into the phone because I record from my phone. Last but not the least, flexible tripod it's called. This is a mobile holder. I thought it's gonna be a little bigger, but
Oh no, not that. Just come on.
bigger, but okay. This is how it looks. So it bends. So ये बैंड के लिए अभी काम नहीं आएगा, बट मे बी इन द फ्यूचर, यू नेवर नो कि ये कहाँ काम आ जाए। It's gonna be held like this, so I can do a little bit of my vlog. It can be a little stable. Perfect. Nice. Hey guys, 1:50 right now and we'll be leaving for the gym right now. देखते I'll try to record, देखते क्या होता है. And again I am delayed today because कुछ काम था घर पे. I was helping mom. Yes, I do help my mom. You should too, and of course you do, पर मैं तो भी बोल रहा हूँ क्या करो यार. Hopefully I'll be shooting vines also, like funny videos, small ones. Let's see how it goes. Okay, thank you. I need your support and your love. Keep commenting, keep liking, keep subscribing and stuff like that. Just share, bro. So I normally don't comb my hair, but
गजब बेइज्जती है.
अभी ब्लॉग पे बहुत ज़्यादा ही कुछ थे तो करना पड़ा। अभी जस्ट स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैंने बाल जमाया, कैन सी लाइक थोड़ा स्वेट भी है बिकॉज द फैन इज़ ऑफ, बट इट्स ओके, करना पड़ता है। करोगे, तुम भी करोगे अगर तुमको आना है ना।
I've been watching you with dark eyes every night, counting up your sins. I keep a list and checking it twice. I know where you've been, I smell the sin, and you're looking nice. You can't bury me. You don't love a night. I'm still. But I leave you with the shudder. With the shudder. I got ghosts you don't wanna know. I got ghosts you don't wanna grow. Trying to forget, I'm in your head, shatter up your spine. Try not to choke, a funny joke when you say you're mine. Lost your control, think you're alone, I'm still in your mind. You can't bury me. You don't love a night. I'm still broken in the gutter. It's just me on my side. But I leave you with the shudder.
and we are walking out of the gym. We are done with a beautiful session. हाँ, चेस्ट करके बहुत मज़ा आया. That is big. There it is. That's me. See my new. It helps my new handle. This tripod helps a lot. People look at you in a weird way because they don't know what you're carrying around, what you're trying to do, but it's okay. Simple trick, अगर आपको ये सीखना है, ये करना है, तो you don't have to mind what others are thinking or doing.
चले दुख भरी कहानी मत सुना चल मार.
This is how I look. Don't worry, I'm wearing the mask. Yes, this is a beautiful premise. You can see, just lovely air. Very calm, very peaceful, very secure. There it is. Lovely surroundings. And we're walking down to a bike now. Narkali now. Where it is? Where is it? Where it is? Where is it? Oh, there she is. Hello. Hello. Wear your damn helmet before you ride. Two. कचरा नहीं जाना चाहिए आँख में और कूल भी लगना चाहिए. We just now reached our building. Now we'll be reaching home in like 2 minutes. This is how it looks like in noon. Crazy hot. Hey, what's up guys? It is 7:20 right now and आज का वर्कआउट काफ़ी अच्छा रिकॉर्ड हुआ because of this tripod stand. I came home, had my lunch and then I slept off थोड़ी देर. I got up few minutes back and I had my egg whites, थोड़े almonds, dates and see mostly मैं gym मतलब I don't work out twice in a day, but now since gym will be shut for 2-3 days, so I'll be doing a second workout today, but I'm not sure I'll be recording. So luckily my gym partner he told me कि शाम को करने का है क्या workout. बोला ठीक है यार, let's do it.
तो करना.
Because 2-3 दिन का skip होने वाला है, so we finishing it up before, so वो skip ना हो. And yeah, let's see. I'm not gonna record it. It's gonna be very difficult to record, but let's see. Maybe I will.
The unexpected nature of the move, the unpredictability of the move.
Hello guys, so you all know this is the last segment of the video and मुझे पता है तुमको पता है कि क्या है. I know you know. Of course थोड़ा confusing है but it's okay. You saw the guitar and you know it. Of course गिटार लेके बैठा हूँ तो गिटार को इस टाइम ही होगा. This is the last segment and happy Diwali to all of you all. आवाज़ आएगी आपको पटाखों की, so please don't mind that. I cannot mute also because of course I have to play. So for you all who don't know what this is called a capo or a capo, whatever you choose to pronounce it, and it just helps people to sing in like a higher or in a lower octave, it's a little deep. बाद में बात करेंगे. So there it is, guys. I hope you all like the vlog. थोड़ा लंबा था vlog आज का, but I am happy कि I could put in content and provide you with a good long video wherein you all can enjoy some, ऐसा नहीं कि बस video खोला और ख़त्म हो गया. But yeah, I am really glad that I could provide content. And if you like the guitar quiz as well, you know the answer, please write down in the comment section. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Trust me, it helps a lot. Haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe. Show some love, please. Thoda I need a little bit growth के लिए. And yeah, please share, subscribe again, like, just do all that jazz. तुम लोग को पता है क्या करना है. You've been doing YouTube चला रहे हो तुम लोग काफ़ी टाइम से. So yeah, please show some support and stay tuned for my next video. I'm trying to learn editing. Editing में बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम जाता है. I'm not cribbing. I'm just sharing with you all कि क्या हो रहा है. It's a little bit difficult, but ठीक है. I'm trying to get better and better every day. So thank you. And if you've come towards the end, and again I would like to thank you to stay with me and like to watch the whole video. Thank you so much. And wishing you a happy Diwali. Please stay safe. Bye.